Capti Voice is a reading system available on macOS, Windows, and iOS platforms. Capti can also be accessed from a web browser. Students must create a user account with Capti, which enables them to synchronize their reading across multiple devices. There is a free version and a premium version of Capti. Students wanting to see the images in an EPUB or look up words and add highlights or notes will need to purchase the premium version. On the left of the browser interface, Capti organizes files into playlists, which students can create for different subjects and which students may enjoy for easier organization of their coursework. Once a playlist has been created, students can click on the Add Track button to add EPUBs from a number of sources, including their local computer. The premium version of Capti lets students search their playlists for the name of the track. Clicking on the arrow next to the name of an EPUB track opens the EPUB's table of contents. Students may also use the search feature in the bottom right of the interface for easier navigation, such as navigating by heading levels. For easier viewing of the EPUB, Capti offers a range of text formatting adjustments, including an open dyslexic font. There are a variety of themes for the background and foreground colors also, and preset themes for the TTS tracking cursor. For hearing the text read out loud, students can click on the Voices menu on the top of the interface to set their preferred voice and to adjust the speech rate. Capti offers students a range of voices, including any voices that are installed on the student's local device. Students can also click on the speech rate button on the bottom of the interface next to the title of the book to adjust the speech rate. To begin playback, students can press the Q shortcut key and then press Q again to stop reading.
Themes of this book. The
To
14th
look up a
edition.
word in the browser version of Capti, students can right-click on a word and select Define. A pop-up window appears showing the context of the word as well as its multiple definitions. When students find an appropriate definition, they can add the word and definition to a word list for later review. There is also a handy translation tab for conversion into other languages. To highlight text in Capti, students can simply select the text and choose a color from the pop-up menu. Students can add an annotation by selecting the text and then choosing Comment from the pop-up menu. On the right of the interface, students can click on the Show Sidebar button to view all of their highlights and notes, including the words that they have added to a word list. Students may export their highlights, notes, or word list to a Word file on their computer by clicking on the Export button on the bottom of the sidebar menu. Students can also export items to a new track in one of their playlists. Students may print out pages of their EPUB as a PDF by clicking the Share button on the right side of the interface. They can include their highlights in the PDF if they wish when using the Chrome browser. Finally, a unique aspect of Capti Voice is its word challenge feature. This feature lets students test their understanding of vocabulary and give students an award for the number of questions they answer correctly.